So, scientists have discovered this protein that might reverse brain aging in lab studies by essentially waking up our sleepy neural stem cells.
Interesting. Hold up. You're saying that our brain cells, which are normally on a kind of retirement, could be reactivated?
Exactly. The researchers found that in later life, neural stem cells get kind of dormant. And a big culprit behind that is the wear on telomeres, the protective caps on our DNA. Telomeres fray with each division, influencing cell growth and division as we age.
So they looked at this process and discovered a protein that can actually give these cells a boost, huh?
Yeah, it's called DMTF1. Now, DMTF1 isn't a new name in the research world, but its role, like in turning on neural stem cell regeneration, is really fresh. It's like giving these cells a pep talk, telling them to produce
that
new
sounds
neurons
pretty
for
promising.
learning and memory.
And how does that work exactly? I mean, is it flipping some sort of on-off switch?
More or less, DMTF1 is a transcription factor that binds to DNA to activate helper genes. Specifically, it triggers Arid2 and Ss18, which help restart the cycle of neuron creation without altering telomere length.
I get it. So adding DMTF1 makes the cells multiply like new, which could be super helpful for the aging brain?
That's the idea. In lab experiments with human neural stem cells and mouse models, DMTF1 levels were naturally higher in younger, healthier brains. When they boosted it in older cells, those cells started to divide more, potentially restoring some functions linked to memory and learning.
But isn't there a risk, though? I mean, pushing cell division too hard, couldn't that, potentially lead to tumors or even cancer?
Exactly. And that's something the researchers pointed out. While the boost in cell multiplication is exciting, there's a delicate balance. Too much might trigger uncontrolled growth. So any therapy would have to be super carefully modulated.
Right, totally. And what about the telomeres? Do they get fixed when DMTF1 is added?
Interestingly, no. They remain unchanged. It's like DMTF1 finds a workaround to encourage cell growth without directly repairing those telomere ends.
That's fascinating. So, if this were to translate to human treatment someday, could this mean improved cognitive functions in older adults?
Potentially, yes. If we can harness this mechanism, it might slow down or even reverse aspects of neurological aging, supporting things like learning and memory. But remember, this is still in the lab and mouse model stage.
Right, so while lifestyle stuff like diet and exercise can help, this sort of therapy is still a long way off and requires much more research.
Exactly. It's a bold idea, but we need to be cautious. The study really opens up a deeper understanding of how neuron production declines, letting future research build on these findings.
Absolutely. It's exciting to think about the possibility of targeted therapies that could rejuvenate the brain without the genetic risks we talked about, isn't it?
For sure. It's like unlocking a secret door in our biology. Future work could really change how we approach cognitive decline and brain health.
Really, it's a groundbreaking step in understanding brain aging. I can't wait to see where this research heads next.